Greetings, my name is Raymond Matarino. I'm a retired Navy veteran and student at Bradman University in pursuit of my EDD. Today I get the privilege to share my first video journal in discussion of my philosophical orientation in relation to my purpose and values. I believe my purpose is to continue to have genuine care and inspire others. Navy core values are shared through all the Navy with every single sailor and every single Marine. It's honor, courage, and commitment. I believe in teamwork, respect, trustworthiness, inspire others, integrity, safety, amongst other values. I've been married for 27 years, and in those 27 years, you share values of love, patience, empathy, strength, trust, amongst other values. I'm a blessed father of 4 amazing daughters who taught me patience, unconditional love, empathy, active listening, and open mind. I'm a transformational leader. I believe in education. I believe in evolving with time. I believe in myself. I never forget where I came from. And I believe in being happy. And in the resident leader, what I've learned after doing the philosophical orientation lab or survey, I realized that I am connected to a human operating philosophy. I did all the grading of the 3 different mindsets, which are pragmatic, intellectual operating, human operating philosophy. I believe my scores reflect as an operating in a humanistic perspective. Thank you.